Most creators are broke not because they lack talent. Most creators are broke because they have been told to create content, not value. Hi guys, if you're new to the channel, I'm Palak and I create videos around content creation, branding, business, and creating a freedom-aligned business. If you are a creator or an artist or even a founder looking to build a personal brand, this video is for you. You were told that if you start creating content on the things you like, the things that you're deeply most passionate about, and you would grow your following, brands would start paying you and they would reach out to you and you would start earning money, right? But if you are creating content and relying just on brand deal for you to make money, you are making a mistake. In this video, I'm going to share how I create from day one. From day one of me starting my page, I monetized my account and how I started earning from social media. And at the end of this video, you would get an invitation to join the Creativepreneur Circle and the cohort where I will teach you everything you need to build a brand for yourself, position yourself in a way that people understand who you are and what you do, build a thriving career for yourself. In this video, I'm breaking down the real reason why most creators never make consistent income and what you can do differently starting today. So in this video, I'm gonna share why most creators don't make a consistent income and what can you do different to start making money today. Most creators get trapped in the endless cycle. Create, post, wait for likes, burn out, and then repeat. You think I will post more, I'll grow, brands will notice me, and when brands notice me, I will earn. But here's the truth. Growth and just vanity numbers does not equal to money or income. If you don't know what you're selling, who are you creating content for, and who are you helping, and why your story matters, no number of posts can save you. You don't need more followers. You need a business model. You need to know what transformation are you providing in your audience's life, what is the value you are adding, and who actually needs it. So what transformation your work creates, who really needs it, and how to communicate that transformation in a way that people understand. And that's what separates creator from a creativepreneur. So creators post content, but creativepreneurs build systems and a personal brand that sells even when they're offline, because you think that constant content creation is a hustle and you need to be on it all the time, but that's not the case. So here is the shift you need. If you want to stop being a broke creator, here's exactly what you need, okay? Define your core identity. So what are you known for? What do you want to be known for? What is the problem you're solving? Like, why are you here? So that's your core identity. Who you are, who exactly are you creating content for? What value are you adding to their life? And why do your story matters? Because your story is unique and it needs to come across as that. Second, build a clear offer. Don't just post. Package your skill in a way that's something that people can buy. If you even are a comedian, or if you do poetry, or if you are into storytelling, there's something that how you can package your skills and offer it to people so that they can buy from you. Third, position yourself right. You're not just another content creator. You are a voice. You are an expert. You are a guide. You need to understand that and position yourself like that. So I've seen this happen with dozens of creators. The moment they stop chasing trends and start building strategically, everything changed. Their work finally had structure. Their audience becomes their clients and their creativity start paying them back. So I have seen this time and again, with dozens of creators. The moment they start understanding who are they creating content for, why are they here, and what is the value that they're providing in their audience's life, the people who follow you and see you turn into clients and not just a number on your profile. Your creativity starts paying your bills and you start building systems without facing burnout to create content. So if you have ever been creating content continuously, consistently, but feeling stuck, without making any money out of it, and thinking that when I would reach a certain number of followers, only then I would be able to monetize, I'm here to break all the rules and tell you that I have been making money out of my Instagram from day one. When I had 100 followers, now when I have 500 followers, and now when even my another page has 1500 followers. The number of followers doesn't matter. What matters is what you can do for them. And that's exactly what I teach in my Creativepreneur cohort, where it's an exclusive group of 10 creators where you're gonna learn everything from how to identify who you are as a brand, build your personal brand on social media, package your skills and offers into packages, and offer them for real people to work with you and buy from you. If you're interested and are done with creating content in the void without making any money out of it, this is your chance. The applications are open only till October 15th. Fill in the application form, get on a call with me, and let's make you a creativepreneur. I am so excited and I can't wait to see you. Thank you for listening to me, and I'll see you in the next one.